ground clearance that could shame some bigger SUVs, fuel efficiency that'll surprise you, and price tags that'll make you think twice. Today we are diving into a head-to-head comparison of two incredible SUVs, the Tata Curvy and the Hyundai Creta. Which one deserves your hard-earned money? Stick around because we'll also be revealing a 5-year cost analysis, including maintenance costs, to help you make the smart-ass choice. First up, the Tata Curve. The Tata Curve is all about making a bold statement. With its coupe SUV styling, sharp lines, and a futuristic design, it's hard to miss this car on the road. The wide stance and sloping roofline scream sophistication, and if you love turning heads, this one's for you. Under the hood, the Curve features a 1.5-liter diesel engine that pumps out 116 brake horsepower and 260 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 7-speed DCA automatic transmission, which feels buttery smooth, especially in stop-and-go traffic. The Curve also boasts a ground clearance of 208 mm, making it a true pothole conqueror on Indian roads. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a premium cabin. The panoramic sunroof floods the interior with light, while features like blind view monitoring and gesture-controlled tailgate add a futuristic touch. Boot space: a generous 500 liters, perfect for those long road trips. However, the fuel efficiency might give you pause, around 15 kmpl for the diesel variant in real-world conditions. For some buyers, this could be a deal-breaker, especially if you're clocking a lot of miles. Now, let's switch gears to the Hyundai Creta. The Creta is a segment leader for a reason. Its parametric design is sleek and modern, with a grille that looks sharp and LED headlights that light up the road beautifully. It's not as bold as the Curve, but it has a more sophisticated charm that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Performance-wise, the Creta comes with a 1.5-liter diesel engine, producing 114 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. While the power figures are slightly lower than the Curve's, the Creta's 6-speed automatic transmission ensures a seamless drive, especially on the highways. Plus, the claimed fuel efficiency of 21.8 kmpl means it's far more economical to run. Inside, the Creta feels like home. It offers a dual-zone climate control system, voice control functions, and a highly versatile boot layout thanks to foldable rear seats. The ground clearance is 190 mm, which isn't as high as the Curve, but still handles rough patches comfortably. Safety and technology comparison. Both SUVs come equipped with ADAS features, but the Curve's adaptive cruise control feels better tuned for Indian traffic. On the other hand, the Creta counters with a 360-degree camera and intuitive voice commands, which are incredibly practical in daily life. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for, the 5-year cost analysis. In terms of maintenance, the Hyundai Creta has an edge with slightly lower service costs thanks to Hyundai's extensive service network. However, the Tata Curve could surprise you with its better resale value thanks to its unique positioning and bold design. If you're planning to clock a lot of highway miles, the Creta will save you more in running costs with its superior fuel efficiency. But if you're looking for a car that retains its value better when it's time to sell, the Curve might win this round. So, who should buy what? If you prioritize ground clearance, bold design, and futuristic features, the Tata Curve should be your pick. But if fuel efficiency, proven reliability, and lower maintenance costs matter more to you, the Hyundai Creta is the safer bet. Final tip. Here's a pro tip. If you're eyeing the Curve, go for the mid-level variant. It gives you the best value for money. For the Creta, keep an eye out for dealer discounts, especially during festive seasons, to grab a great deal. So, what's your pick? Drop a automobile for the Tata Curve or a fire for the Hyundai Creta in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense comparisons and cost breakdowns. See you in the next video.